Thank you for joining us for the KHSD Weekly Wrap-Up. I'm Erin Briscoe-Clark. Hometown NASCAR star Kevin Harvick and Gear Wrench are providing some much-needed horsepower at North High School.
What we might do is maybe we'll do that.
The view from the driver's seat just got brighter for North High School's construction and automotive class.
Pick it up and set it down.
Wrenches, ratchets, sockets, and more. Students now have the tools they need to succeed.
We didn't have a place to store the tools for a long time. Instead of our tools being in a cardboard box, now they can be in a nice new toolbox.
Along that with the toolboxes, we've got socket sets, screwdriver sets, everything's matched. The torque wrenches are certified. Everything is top-notch, high quality.
The new tools, worth $25,000, are thanks to premier tool brand Gear Wrench and North High grad and NASCAR champ Kevin Harvick.
Somehow he got wind that we had an automotive class, and we were very short on tools. We were using tools from home. The school's been very supportive in backing us up, but Kevin came in here with this large donation to help us out. I mean, this just put us in a whole nother level.
Mr. Radman told me, and I was like, oh my God, that's so amazing. And we all know Kevin Harvick, you know, because small town, we all know who he is. He's helped out North before, and I just thought it was like really amazing that when we received the donation, that we were able to put it towards automotive tools, because that's what we had the least of.
This generous donation is a game changer in the shop, allowing more students to get their hands dirty.
We couldn't have kids doing multiple things at once. We had to be doing one project at a time. We couldn't have two projects going side by side. It was really challenging, especially with the small amount of tools that we did have.
Radman says the donation elevates the program by providing more opportunities for his students to explore and try new things.
You might not realize you're this good at building an engine until you do it, and giving them a place to work that's safe, where they can get some knowledge and a comfortable environment. And the tools just take us to the next level, because you can't have a mechanic without tools. That's just the way it is.
These tools will help fuel the educational needs of our students for many years to come.
Thank you, Gear Wrench.
The Western Welding Academy's Blue Collar Tour made a special stop at the Ag Pavilion, hoping to spark students' interest in blue-collar trades.
Showing the youth the blue-collar trades is important because it's what builds America. America's in dire straits. We have a huge shortage of people who are doing the blue-collar trades. A lot of the younger generations are the computer generations, the obsessed with social media instead of learning how to weld or do electricity or stuff like that. So it's very important for kids to just learn what is in demand right now, and it is very in demand.
ROC students in the welding, metal fabrication, diesel mechanics, and construction programs got to spend a few hours with these high-skilled welders, which included hands-on welding demonstrations, swag and tool giveaways, and learning more about the benefits of pursuing a blue-collar trade.
When I heard the sparks of the welding, I just fell in love with it. So from there, I just liked the way the sound, I just liked the way it looks, and everything was about it. My first impression was just great.
Senior Rome Rodriguez says welding has opened his eyes to possibilities he never knew existed.
My dream is to go be a welder, underwater welder, or to be work for SpaceX, because I'm a big space person, and that's my dream to pursue.
The Blue Collar Tour plans to visit 30 schools in 60 days. We want to thank the Western Welding Academy for making the Kern High School District one of its stops. Calling all students. Here's your chance to show off your culinary skills and have your recipe featured in your school's cafeteria, plus win some great prizes. KHSD Nutrition Services is now accepting entries for its Show Off Your Skillet cooking contest. It's open to all KHSD students. Here's what you need to do. Create a healthy and delicious recipe that's easy to prepare in a school kitchen. Take a photo of your dish, fill out an entry form, and submit it by January 27th. Then the heat will be on as 10 student finalists will be selected to compete in a live market basket cook-off in March in the Nutrition Services Central Kitchen. Prizes will be awarded to first, second, and third place winners. Official rules and entry forms are available in your school's cafeteria or on our website, kernhigh.org. May the best junior chef win. Good luck. The 17th edition of Achieve Magazine is available now. The award-winning Achieve Magazine is a publication of Kern High Network and KHSD School Support Services, which showcases students' outstanding athletic, academic, and artistic accomplishments throughout the district. This edition features the state and valley champions for the fall 2022 season: band, cheer, color guard, FFA, and theater students. You can pick up your copy of Achieve Magazine at our school sites, the district office, and at Valley Strong locations.
Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-Up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.